Not so far away, there was a young fairy who made messes all day. With a poof of her wand, dust plumes would appear. With a wave of her hand, cereal dropped out of thin air. The king and queen of her kingdom won't worry, for the Bissell Air Ram takes care of each mess in a hurry. With speed and agility, this hero saves the day, so our pint-sized pixie can continue to play. A long-lasting battery is always at hand to keep up with the fastest little fairy in the land, even in spaces as dark as night. Our hero carries a light that shines bright. Over hills, under bridges, around corners aplenty. This vacuum is lightweight and so easy to empty. Now our journey has come to an end, and Mess Fairy and Mommy have a new best friend.
And they all lived happily ever after.
Busy has become a new way of living, so we invented a smarter way of cleaning. Introducing the Black & Decker 2-in-1 cordless stick and hand vacuum with smart tech sensing features. AutoSense helps you power through your cleaning by automatically adjusting suction from bare floors to thick carpet, so you get more power when you need it and longer battery life too. Battery Sense shows you how much battery remains, so you know how much longer you can clean before you need to recharge. And Filter Sense alerts you when it's time to clean the filter, so you continue to get maximum performance. The Black & Decker 2-in-1 cordless stick and hand vacuum with Smart Tech is super convenient for those hard-to-reach spots and those easy-to-miss places. With a long-lasting lithium-ion battery, you can move from room to room without the hassle of a cord. The Black & Decker 2-in-1 cordless stick and hand vacuum with Smart Tech sensing features is affordable and now available at your favorite stores. Clean smarter, not harder.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found